Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. In this video, we have this nice equation over here and we want to find x. So how do we find x over here? Now let's start. So first, the idea is that we want to make one of the terms to be 1. So we can divide both sides by any of the terms we are seeing over here. In this video, we are going to divide both sides by 9 to the power x over 9 to the power x over 9 to the power x. So this will go for this. So we'll be left with 1 plus 15 to the power x all over 9 to the power x is equal to 25 to the power x all over 9 to the power x. So 15 to the power x can be written as 5 times 3 all to the power x. And we can expand this as 5 to the power x times 3 to the power x. And then 9 to the power x can also be expressed as 3 times 2 all exponent x. And then this can also be expressed as 3 times 2x. And then we can also express this as 3 times x times 3 exponent x. Because when we have a to the power m times a to the power n, this will be equal to, since we have the same basis, we are going to write one of them and then add the exponent m plus n. It is the law of indices. So same as we did over here, so we are going to have the basis to be the same, so we write one of them and then we add the exponent to get 2x. So 25 exponent x can be written as 5 squared all exponent x, and we can also write this as 5x all exponent 2. This is also possible. So the equation will now become 1 plus 15 exponent x is now 5x multiplying 3 exponent x all over 9 exponent x is now 3 exponent x times 3 exponent x is equal to, so 25 exponent x is now 5 exponent x all squared all over 9 exponent x is now, so with 9 exponent x we are going to use this one instead, and we can rewrite this as 3 exponent x all squared. This is also possible, so we are going to have 3 exponent x all squared. So this one will go for this one, and we are going to be left with 1 plus 5 exponent x over 3 exponent x is equal to 5 exponent x squared all over 3 exponent x squared. Now we can rewrite this as 5 over 3 all exponent x to be equal to, then we can also rewrite this as 5 over 3 all exponent x all squared. From here we have same terms over here, so we are going to let any variable represent the terms over here. Now we are going to let m to be equal to 5 over 3 all exponent x. So we are going to have 1 plus m to be equal to m squared. Now m squared minus m minus 1 will be equal to 0. So from here we have a quadratic, so we solve it using the quadratic formula to get the value of m. So the quadratic formula is given by m is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So from here we compare this equation with the general quadratic equation, which is given by ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So when we compare this with this, we can see that a is 1, so a is 1, b is also negative 1, then c is negative 1. So then we fixed the value of a, b, and c into the formula. We are going to have m is equal to minus is there already, and then you have minus 1 plus or minus the square root of b squared. We have negative 1, so negative 1 squared minus 4ac. A is 1, and then c is also negative 1 all over 2a. A is 1. So m will be equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 4 all over 2. Okay, so let's continue. So you have m to be equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 all over 2. So we are going to have m to be equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, or m to be equal to 1 minus the square root of 5 all over 2. So these are the two answers. So in this video, I'm not going to consider the negative aspect because it's going to lead me to a different thing. So let's focus on the positive one. Now we said we let m to be equal to 5 over 3 exponent x, right? So we need to bring it back over here. So we are going to have 5 over 3 exponent x to be equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 all over 2. So from here, if you want to get x over here, we just take the natural log of both sides. So by so doing, we are going to have the natural log of 5 on 3 to the power x is equal to natural log of 1 plus root of 5 all over 2. And then from here, I'm going to have x multiplying the natural log of 5 on 3 to be equal to the natural log of 1 plus the square root of 5 all over 2. Okay, so we want to find x, so we divide both sides by this term. So x will be equal to the natural log of 1 plus the square root of 5 all over 2 all over the natural log of 5 on 3. So this will be the answer for x. Thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time on our channel, kindly subscribe and let's learn more.